This is Sophie. Last year, her parents needed a parental control app, and they turned to OurPact. We sat down with her to learn about her journey.
My parents first put OurPact on my phone because of how much my phone consumed me and how I wasn't present in the world around me. And I was just so taken up by everything that was on my phone and trying to keep up with all the latest trends and everything like that. I was upset and I felt like it was invading my privacy. Now I'm so grateful for it because of how much it changed me and my habits. But initially I was super frustrated. The feature that I disliked the most about OurPact was the view feature, where my mom or my dad could view my screen. I just felt like it was invading my privacy, but now I'm super grateful for it because my mindfulness in what I'm doing, I'm more alert on what I should and shouldn't be doing. So spending a lot of time on your phone, you don't realize how much time really passes by when you're scrolling. You're scrolling 1 second, 10 minutes has gone by, the second minute, 30 minutes has gone by, and then before you know it, an hour's gone by. And time goes by so quickly. My parents were restricting me and limiting everything that I could do, and I couldn't do what I wanted to do. I did tell my parents it upset me, but they told me that it was for my own good and that I'll thank them later.
And right now, do you feel like you wanted to thank them later?
Yes. OurPact affected my interactions with my friends because I became more aware of my friends that were more engaged in conversation with me versus my friends that were more concerned about what was going on their phones. I went to the mall with one of my friends, and it was just me and her on a summer day. We were bored, so we decided to go out together, and the entire time she was on her phone, and I just tried to keep making conversation and learn more about her, but she made no effort and just kind of was on her phone the entire time. And at the end, I got in the car and I told my mom, I was like, "Mom, that was so boring. I didn't get to do anything. We just went shopping. We didn't really talk to each other. I don't feel like I got closer to her. If anything, I felt more separated than ever." That's the moment that I realized that I was glad my parents had OurPact on my phone. As for my schoolwork, last year my grades weren't as good as they were this year. This year, my grades have been very good, and I'm super proud of myself because I know that I put in the effort and the time, and I've learned to manage my time more wisely. OurPact has helped me to be more focused because when I'm with my friends and I'm engaging in conversation with them. When I'm doing my homework, I'm more engaged in doing my homework, and I don't just do it to get it done. I do my best work possible, and I'm just more focused. OurPact has helped me overall improve my time management. OurPact has also helped me with my family relationships. When I'm at dinner, I'm not on my phone. I'm engaging in conversation with my family, asking them all how their day went. I've learned more about my family, and I feel closer to them more than ever. OurPact has also helped me with my self-esteem, and I don't get FOMO, fear of missing out. And because I'm not scrolling online comparing myself to unrealistic people and trying to hold myself to that standard. Overall, OurPact has really helped me with my self-confidence, and I'm just generally happier and more focused on myself and what I'm doing. What I would say to other kids who initially wouldn't want OurPact to be installed on their phone, I would tell them that initially they're going to hate it, but after that they're going to realize that it's actually helping them. The advice that I would give parents who are installing OurPact on their kid's phone, I would tell them to be honest with your child and have that open conversation, and also tell them that you ultimately want the best for them. I'd actually like to thank my parents because I've established a better relationship with my phone, which has helped me get better grades in school and become closer to my friends, and it ultimately just shows how much they care.